Assalamualaikum everyone. So I just received this PR package from Arabian Beauty Pakistan, and there are so many products inside it, so let's unbox it. So first we have their gold marks, gold facial and gold cream bleach, and as they mentioned that they are with 24 karat gold. So second we have this two tiny box. So in the first one we have this magic soap and the second one include cream. So they are both with aloe vera extract and they can remove your pimple, acne and dark circles. So third we have this Upton and they are with sunscreen and they make your skin fair and glowing. So fourth we have these two urgent facial. They are whitening urgent facial, and this one is 3-in-1 facial for scrubbing, whitening, cleansing, and this is a one-step facial. Fifth we have this charcoal black scrub and peel off black marks. I've tried once and wanted to try it again. So sixth we have these two bleach cream.